The world's smallest desert is actually located underwater. The Atacama Desert in Chile has a miniature counterpart beneath the surface of the Pacific Ocean, known as the Atacama Trench Desert. Bananas are naturally radioactive. They contain small amounts of potassium-40, a radioactive isotope, but the levels are so low that they pose no health risk to humans. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, while the 3rd heart pumps it to the rest of the body. Mount Everest, the world's tallest mountain, has been growing about 4 EMM taller each year due to tectonic plate movement. Interesting, right? The average cloud is lighter than a single cotton ball, despite its enormous size. Honeybees can recognize human faces and remember them for up to 2 days. The shortest war in history was between Britain and Zanzibar on August 27, 1896, lasting only 38 minutes. The world's largest snowflake ever recorded was 15 inches wide and 8 inches thick. Mind-blowing, right? Keep exploring the world, and you'll discover fascinating facts everywhere.